Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Qura Public School online classes. I hope you are all fine. This lecture is for grade 5 and it is your English lecture. Our today's topic is noun possessive case. I am your teacher Anam, so let's start our today's topic. How have I got at whispering this tongue twister? We will do this tongue twister. Blake's black bike and the boy's broken wall were behind the hall. Now you have to understand. Let's think. Whose bike? Whose ball? And how do we know? We will know, as you can see, Blake, there is this small thing which is called an apostrophe, and after that comes S. Black bike and the boy's broken ball were behind the hall. This small apostrophe in the sentence shows us the bike belongs to Blake. Whose bike is this? Blake's. And this small apostrophe is shows us the ball belongs to the boys. Whose ball is this? It's they are talking about the boys' ball. Now these apostrophes give us hint about who owns what. Let's find out more. Today we are learning to number one, define the term of possessive in the context of grammar. Second, differentiate between singular and plural nouns. Third is identify and apply the three rules of possessive apostrophes. Let's start. Possession. What is the meaning of possession? A possession is an object or thing that is owned by someone. For example, the bag is Harriet's possession. Bag is a noun or thing, it's an object, and who owns Harriet is the owner of the bag. Next one, possessive apostrophes. A possessive apostrophe is a punctuation mark that tells us who owns an object or thing. The golden rule. Knowing where to put possessive apostrophes can be confusing sometimes. The trick is knowing who possesses the object and then following the three golden rules. Rule number one. When we have a singular noun or owner, for example, Adam, we add an apostrophe to the word and s. Okay? Adam apostrophe plus s, it becomes Adam's eyebrows. If the person's name ends in s, we add an apostrophe but do not add an extra s as it looks a little messy. For example, for the name James, we will only add James bag apostrophe after James and the bag. Next rule, when we have a plural noun owner, for example, the students, we add an apostrophe but do not add an extra s. I already told you in the previous one, but it was about the s at the end of the noun. The students plus apostrophe. As you can see in the example, the students disappear. I haven't added any other s at the end of the word or the noun. Third rule, when we have an irregular plural noun owner, for example, the children, we add an apostrophe to the word and an s. Children is a plural form, but it does not end with s. It is irregular plural noun, so we add apostrophe and s as we do with the singulars. The children plus apostrophe plus s. The children's teacher. Let's recap. Possessive apostrophes tell us who or what owns an object or thing. Where the apostrophe goes depends on if the owner is singular or plural. This is a solved image of English Skills Book, page number 54. You can solve this exercise with the help of this one, and I hope with the help of this video you will be able to solve any exercise. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.